Hi, Phil here from Mr. Mechanic. Take a look at what I've got for you today. We have this fully refreshed and repainted Yale reach truck available now. This unit runs beautifully, has low hours, and is ready to go straight to work. You really need to see this one for yourself. It comes equipped with a strong, load-tested battery in excellent condition. With a lowered mast height of 94 inches and a maximum lift height of 212 inches, it's a great fit for a wide range of warehouse applications. You'll also find modern upgrades, including a digital display dashboard for easy operation. It's equipped with side shift for precise load positioning, and all the tires are in excellent condition. This is a deal you don't want to miss. Fully certified and backed by warranty, with delivery available across Canada. Come on down and try it out for yourself before you buy. But don't wait. Deals like this don't last long. For more information, give us a call at 905-275-8072. Mr. Mechanic, we've got your back.